Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We have 9 a.m. here in Norway. And with that, I would like to welcome you all to the Faculty of Veterinary Medicine, Norwegian University of Life Sciences here at Ås, and to the concluding workshop of the Horizon 2020 FET Open Research Project, Fish AI. My name is Trond Kortner, and besides being one of the core partners of the Fish AI Consortium, I will also be your moderator for today's first sessions. We are very pleased to have so many of you attending this event today. I think I counted, and we have about 140 registrations all in all. Some of us joining us here in the auditorium on campus, but then most of you joining us digitally via the live streaming. And we have representatives from both the academic and industrial sector from a total of 27 different nationalities. So that's quite amazing to me. And besides Norway, that includes representatives from Italy, Portugal, Israel, Sweden, Chile, Spain, France, Egypt, Pakistan, Canada, Nigeria, Sri Lanka, Switzerland, the Netherlands, China, Denmark, United States, Bangladesh, Turkey, Singapore, Poland, Iran, the Czech Republic, Austria, United Kingdom, and Finland. So that's quite impressive to me, and it indicates at least that what we have done here during the years with the Fish AI project has received some global interest. A few practical instructions before we get along. First of all, for you present here in the auditorium, in the audience, in case of emergency, the exit door is in the back where you entered, and then out the main entrance of the vet building in which you all came in this morning. Then I would like to remind you all that the whole event will be digitally streamed, and it will also be recorded for later broadcasting. Those of you present here in the audience, you will not be filmed, so you can relax. It's only the people up on stage that are being filmed. But I would like to remind you that we have a Q&A session after each of the introductory talks, and also during the panel debate later after lunch. And we are very much dependent on your interaction and would like to hear your questions. But if you, for some reason, are not comfortable with having your question and your voice recorded, you basically need to keep silent and perhaps ask your neighbor to convince your neighbor to ask the question for you. Besides that, you should be safe, okay? For those of you attending us online, we will keep you both muted and invisible during the whole event. But we would very much also like your questions during the whole event for a nice discussion. And you do so by asking questions in the Q&A function of the Zoom platform that we are using. You will find it on your menu bar. If not, you will press this ask for more functions in the menu bar, and you will find the Q&A function of the Zoom platform. And my colleague here will... Okay, so online attendees, please ask your questions in the Q&A function. And my colleague here will monitor the questions being asked digitally, and we will bring them up and repeat them for the audience as long as time and schedule allows. Okay, then with that, we will soon go over to the scientific presentations of today.